After going through the trouble of researching the right window, finding the right contractor, and replacing your home's windows, one day you look and you find something wrong. What are you supposed to do now? Well, in this video, we're going to talk about what to do if you discover that your new windows weren't installed correctly. Hi, I'm Rebecca and welcome to the Home Solutions channel. Today, we're going to outline what to do if you find something wrong with your new windows in 2 simple steps. Before we get into it, make sure to drop a like on this video and subscribe to the channel for more home remodeling content. Step 1. Assess and determine what's wrong with your windows. Now, you obviously know that something is wrong with your windows, but it's important to try and determine the exact problem to identify if you have an installation issue or a manufacturing defect. Some common installation issues are issues due to insufficient caulking, if the window looks crooked or out of square, if you cannot fully open or close the window, damage to the surrounding drywall, and any cosmetic obscurities. Some possible manufacturing defects are if the locks do not work, if the window does not stay open, and if the window does not function properly in any way. Determining what problems you're experiencing and the causes of them will help you better understand what steps must be taken next and what type of help to seek out. Step 2. Contact the contractor that installed your windows. Depending on the degree of the issue you're experiencing, it's normal to feel you may not be able to trust the contractor that installed them, especially if something is majorly wrong with your windows. But you still want to contact the company that installed them to first let them know you're experiencing a problem, and second, give them a chance to fix it. Now, if your windows weren't installed properly in the first place, sometimes the original contractor cannot fix their mistakes. If this is the case, you will have to find a different contractor to either repair or replace your windows. We know having problems with your newly installed windows is frustrating, but there is a solution. Whether you experience a minuscule installation issue and your contractor is able to fix it, or the window was installed incorrectly beyond repair, the right contractor is out there to provide the right service for you. Finding a contractor you can trust can be difficult, we get it. You've already been burned once with a faulty installation, so you may be a little hesitant to find a different contractor, but we've got you covered. If you need any help, be sure to check out the link down below that leads to an article that will outline questions to ask a window replacement contractor. Thanks for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we want you to have the look you love coming home to.